Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your PlayStation 4 that's automatically or randomly turning off on you. So on the home screen here, let's go up to settings and then scroll on down until we get to where it says system. Then going down. So the first option, if it is randomly turning off on you, is to disable HDMI device link. So if you turn on your TV, your PlayStation should turn on. If you turn off your TV, your PlayStation should turn off, etc. So we can try uncheck marking that. Then we can back out. Then we want to go to power saving settings. Then we have on the top, set time until PS4 turns off. So if we select in here, we have the option to go to media playback. So if I'm watching a movie and I have my controller sitting next to me and I'm not touching it, after 4 hours, my PlayStation will turn off. And we do have options in here. We can go to do not turn off. So I just set it to 4 hours because most movies are about 2 or 3 hours. Then we have general applications. This will be like YouTube or even your games. So I have mine set to 20 minutes. So if I'm not touching my controller, after 20 minutes, my PS4 is turning off. So we could go all the way down to do not turn off right here. And our PS4 won't automatically or randomly turn off on us. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.